Hola amigos y amigas, I am Layla, also known as Ms. Bohemia, and today I want to jump into a brand I haven't talked about before and haven't really used extensively. Bumble and Bumble, particularly the bond building repair treatment. I have always been very skeptical of bond building products, especially because I tried Olaplex, and in spite of how much everyone is head over heels in love with Olaplex, I tried it when my hair was at its most damaged and really needed help. And Olaplex did nothing for my hair. I'm a huge ApHogee devotee, so if you don't know what ApHogee is, I have 2 videos on it. It's an incredible protein treatment system. This video talks about their 3 different protein treatment options, ranging from mildest to medium to strong protein treatment, and even then they're all incredible, and I actually use them all in my regimen, so stay tuned for an updated protein moisture but balance video. The other video delves in deeper into their 2-step protein treatment, the strongest treatment that ApHogee has to offer. ApHogee managed to help me when my hair was at its worst. I see so many people claim Olaplex doing the same thing, but it did nothing for me. So I've been skeptical about bond builders. And then a few months back, I cannot for the life of me remember who she was, her name, nothing, but it was a YouTuber talking about incorporating both a bond builder and a protein treatment into your protocol. And that caught my attention. And since then, I've kind of had an eye out for bond builders. I'm not really interested in Olaplex. Maybe one day I'll jump the bullet and try it again. I don't know. I'm just not feeling it in my gut. Sorry, but true. Curlsmith made the news by incorporating a protein treatment series of products and bond builders into their regimen. That one has me feeling some type of way because I see a lot of people touting it as a bond builder and others touting it as a protein treatment, when in fact it seems to be something that does both, that it has both the bond builders and protein incorporated into its system. And so I'm not really interested because I already have my ApHogee protocol and I don't want to mess with that, and that is like the OG way to go for me. I'm not too interested in trying out Curlsmith. And also my hair is very high need, very high porosity hair, meaning that in their protocol, you would have to leave the product in for I think 45 minutes up to an hour. I'm sorry, I already leave my pre-poo on for 30 minutes. I leave my hair mask on for 30 minutes. There's a ton of stuff I leave on for a certain amount of time while I'm in the shower. Last thing I want is to add something else that I have to leave on my hair for so long. What I was looking for was something that's purely a bond builder and that'll work well in conjunction with my protein protocol, whatever that may be. This caught my attention. I have tried it, I would say, for a solid month in every wash, and I am blown away. I am blown away. I am so blown away by this. I really had no faith in bond builders and thought that they did nothing. So this is what the product claims to do. It's a weekly treatment that builds new bonds to strengthen hair and helps repair damage with their honey bond building complex. They claim to be the last word in hair repair and do advise that you use it once a week, which is pretty much what I do because I wash my hair about once a week, ranging from every 5 to 7 days. So it averages out to being once a week, and it helps to repair the look of damaged hair, as in the look of past damage, and it fortifies the hair fibers to protect from future damage. And this is what got me, that it claims to also smooth the cuticle for shine and softness. So of course you hear a lot of products say these kind of things and you're like, okay, great, yeah, sure. Let's see if it works. How do you know if it works? And the basic difference between bond builders and protein treatments are that bond builders are supposed to penetrate the hair strand and fortify the hair from within, whereas protein treatments coat the hair strand. I was unaware of that distinction for quite a while, and so when I found out, that's what piqued my interest, because I've been doing my protein. I have like my protein protocol, I have my moisture protocol, but it seems like everything I'm doing to my hair is external. I also wanted to incorporate something into my regimen that penetrated my hair strand in quite a strong way, an impactful way, and that's where this came in. So first I shampoo, then I apply this, then I go into my protein treatment, hair mask, etc., and the rest of my regimen. And this has been such a game changer, and I am floored. You leave it on for just 5 minutes, you rinse, and that's it. Easy peasy. And the thing that got to me is the level of softness. Honestly, I hadn't read the description until I cited it to you right now in this video. I didn't know that it claimed to give you shine and softness. It wasn't my interest. My whole thing was just whatever helps keep my hair happy, strong, so that my curls can be their best while I can continue living my life as a blonde. period. That's all I wanted. And the thing that has struck me the most and wowed me the most from the get-go, from the first time I tried it, was how it made my hair feel so soft. The first time I tried it was on my allotted day to do the 2-step protein treatment, which I went ahead and did after using the Bumble and Bumble Bond Building Repair treatment. I was amazed because normally when I do the 2-step protein treatment, protein tends to make my hair a little stiffer, drier, and so I go in with a whole ton of moisture and balance it out and I end up fine. But it's a noticeable thing on my hair when I use protein. And so this time around, using the 2-step protein treatment, which is the strongest protocol that ApHogee has to offer and one of the strongest protein treatment protocols out there, my hair felt so much softer than it usually did, and it had me floored. And you don't have to apply too much. A little goes a long way. And the thing that's amazing, and I'm going on a tangent but I'll tie it back in, is that you put this little bit on your hand, apply it to the hair, and immediately it's like the hair faints into like this silky new texture and existence and life that it acquires from just putting this on the hair. It's just the weirdest thing. I feel like when I apply it on my hair, I feel like standing in the shower going, oh my god, just the grossest, most yes type of hair shower scene that you might see. That's how it feels. It feels so good. It feels incredible. Then it's like, okay, fine. It feels like that. Now I leave it in 5 minutes. I wash it out. Did it really do anything? And so then after applying the 2-step protein treatment and blow drying it dry, letting the hair stiffen and washing it off, and seeing that my hair was so much softer than it usually is after going through that process, blew me away. And I have been using it ever since with all my other types of wash regimens, because I do a different type of protein protocol each time I wash my hair, and it's been incredible. And since then, my hair has felt softer. I react way better to my leave-in. I react way better to my oil. I react way better to my cream. My whole lock method has taken a whole new life to it. Applying stylers, trying out new stylers tends to work better. I tend to take to things better. It's incredible. I would really recommend this if you have sustained any form of damage, if you regularly use heat on your hair, if you bleach your hair, if you dye your hair, if you do any form of chemical process on your hair. And you don't necessarily have to have damaged hair, but this is great at ensuring that you have a strong, fortified base to move forward from. At the same time, it also helps you protect your hair from damage in ensuring that you keep a strong, fortified base with your hair, if that makes sense. I'm eating my words, I'm mispronouncing my words, I'm sounding crazy, but I'm really excited about this and I highly recommend it, and I'm so glad I tried it. I'm curious to see how long it'll last me, given that I do use it every wash. And I probably have gone in with too much, so I have to tailor and go in with a little bit, because a little does seriously go a long way. This kind of borders on spending a lot on a product. 4 ounces for $34. But if it lasts me a while and it keeps performing as well as it's performing, no regrets, and it's definitely worth every penny, and I'm gonna keep continuing on with this protocol. If you guys have any suggestions for other bond builders, I am absolutely open. I'm looking basically to try bond building treatments that are purely bond builders and don't have any protein in them, because I don't want it to conflict with my ApHogee. So if you have anything that you recommend, please let me know down below. I would love to know. And if you think I'm being an idiot and I should try Olaplex again, maybe I will. Right now I don't feel inclined to. I'm really happy with this, but I'm curious to know what your thoughts are if you've tried anything else. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be alerted of anything else I post, and see you in the next one. Ciao for now.